And welcome back to another video of Coffee and Stocks. In today's video, we're going to talk about a SPAC that really exploded. But before we get started, can I please ask you guys to drop a like on this video, as well as press that amazing subscribe button. It does go a long way in supporting the channel. I do thank every single one of you guys for being here, for supporting. We are almost at the 2,000 subscriber mark. So you guys have been doing amazing this year. Let's keep on going. So let's keep this video small, shall we? Right to the point. We are talking about Helicity Inc. They are currently going for $18.55. They are going to merge with another company that I'll show you guys in a second. But they did have an explosion today of 13.9% to the upside. But they did have another one. It was currently going for $10.41 on Monday, and then they just exploded to 45% to the upside to around $14. And then right now it's more than 79.40% to the upside. That is just freaking incredible, the way that they were able to explode this much this quick, right? And obviously any SPAC that has news of merger, it's gonna explode this much. So definitely be careful when investing. Obviously, I'm not a financial advisor, so please do not take my words as advice. Go consult your financial advisor. Go do your own homework, do your own due diligence. But I don't know, maybe there's gonna be some kind of correction here, because all of this has been a little too hyped up, if you know what I mean. We look a little bit closer onto who they are. Hall stock Helicity shares rocket on Astra space SPAC merger. This is the company that they are merging with. It's called Astra. So as you can see, shares, this was on February 2nd, right? So shares of blank check Helicity took off this morning after striking a deal with a startup, Astra, to merge and come public at a $2.1 billion valuation. That is incredible. Whole stock was up more than 40%. Yeah, that was back then. Now it's like up more than 79%. That's incredible. California-based startup Astra is a startup that makes small rockets to send satellites into orbit. This transaction takes us a step closer to our mission in improving life on Earth from space. That's weird. From space, by fully funding our plan to provide a daily access to low Earth orbit from anywhere on the planet, said Chris Kemp, who is the founder and chairman and CEO of Astra. I mean, that's pretty incredible, the way that, you know, they're trying to better our lives. Last month, Astra made its initial launch into space with its Rocket 3.2 vehicle launched from Kodiak, Alaska. It will begin delivering customer payloads this summer and initiate monthly launches by the end of this year. So everything is happening this year. I think that's pretty amazing, the way that they are trying to reach these things. But don't forget, Astra is not the only one who is dealing with rocket ships going to the moon. Don't forget, SpaceX is gonna do their civilian only space travel coming up pretty soon. So maybe a lot of people are more focused on that than they are on this Rocket 3.2 vehicle launched from Astra. This is the Astra website, as you could see right here. We're gonna jump right into the investor presentation, so we're not, you know, making this video too long. So this is the investor presentation. Obviously, as you can see right here, CNBC says, alongside with SpaceX and Rocket Lab, Astra represents the third U.S. company begun since the turn of the century to privately develop a satellite launch system and successfully reach space. So they're 1 out of 3, which is pretty damn good. I'm not even gonna lie. I mean, I think it's pretty amazing. But they have to show me more than just that in order for me to invest. Obviously, with that being said, I have no current position in this company as of right now. I do believe it has a little bit too much hype for me. $18.55. we'll see how it does the rest of the week, or maybe even starting next week. Transaction summary, as you can see right here. Transaction structure: business combination with Astra expected to close in Q2 of 2021. Post-closing, the company will maintain the Astra name and will be listed on the NASDAQ under a new ticker symbol, ASTR. Helicity is a SPAC with $300 million in cash held in a trust, 1/3 warrant structure, which is pretty cool, and PIPE investors commit $200 million. Wow. Pro forma enterprise value $2.1 billion with a well-capitalized balance sheet. So this is pretty amazing by itself. They have a well-capitalized balance sheet, so they're not in debt, which is great for all the investors. Summary investment highlights: first, pure play public space company, compelling platform strategy that enables scale and efficiency. Competitive advantage that increases with velocity and scale, large and growing sales backlog and pipeline, world-class executive team with leading investors. Now, I don't want to make this video too long. I'm gonna try to keep it under 7 minutes. Sorry. So platform right here: space services, modular spacecraft, mass-produced portable launch system. That is pretty amazing. I will leave this investor presentation down below because I do believe they have quite a bit of information in this presentation that a lot of you are gonna really want to focus on if you're ever in doubt in investing in this company, right? What do I believe this is gonna go to right now? I do feel like it is a lot of hype behind it, so I don't believe that they're gonna drop too much, nor they're gonna, hopefully if you guys invested in it when it was $10, it goes up to like 20 or 25. But we will see. Obviously, I'm not a financial advisor, so please do your own homework, do your own research. Don't just invest in this company just for the crap of it, right? Always do your homework. And that was today's video. Hopefully you guys liked it. Don't forget to drop a like in this video, as well as press that amazing subscribe button. I will leave that presentation down below just in case you guys need to do your own research and do more research, obviously. And don't forget to comment down below, and that gets you an entry to winning dividends on Friday, which is tomorrow. And I will see you guys next time on Coffee and Stocks.